What's the meaning of calfskin? Calfskin. Calfskin.
Calfskin. Calfskin. Calfskin refers to the leather that is made from the skin of young cattle. It is known for being soft, smooth and durable, making it a popular material for shoes, bags, and other fashion items. The leather is typically tanned to give it a rich, warm color and a subtle sheen. Calfskin is often used in high-end products due to its luxurious appearance and quality. Because of its durability and natural strength, calfskin leather can withstand wear and tear over time and can age well, developing a unique patina over the years.